Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my first VR Gunstock and I'm very hyped about this. This is the Gunstock that I decided to get my hands on after doing quite some research, and the reason I got the limited edition red and black is simply because I love these colors more than other colors. For those who don't know, a VR Gunstock is a Gunstock accessory which is used in VR to help you put your controllers in it in order to increase immersion in the shooter games that you are playing, and also the stability while you are shooting. And in this video I will be unboxing it and see if it was worth the price. Without wasting more time, let's go ahead and open it. As we can see right away, we have the box over here. Now let's open it. Now after we slowly open it, we get to see how it came. For me it came packed into this without any other boxes. So this is the bag it came on, and inside it came pretty much packed in this bubble wrap. First things first, we got the handle which connects to the rest of the body. Right away after opening it, we get to see that the quality build feels actually pretty good and it's not flimsy at all. Now let's check out the rest. This is the cheek rest which we get to put at the end of our Gunstock. Let's see. It's probably made not long time ago, since I heard they 3D print their own. And now for the rest, the Gunstock rest, so that you can put your Gunstock in it when you are not using it. We also get this paper, which has a lot of charms, and it's also a guide from what I see. That's pretty nice. We can see the product that they offer and also how to use them, so that's a good thing. We will be using this to set up our Gunstock. And last but not least, we have the body of the Gunstock, which is also pretty well made. It also comes with a charm and also the key to lock the cheek rest when we set it up. It seems it also has a backup key, so that's pretty nice. So that's all for the unboxing of this Gunstock. But now, since you made it this far, I will also be setting it up. You know, just better to do it right now. So to summarize, this is all the things that you get in the Gunstock when you buy it, which is pretty nice, and everything seems to be functional and good quality. Also, we have here a guide, like I said before, which actually we should be following it. It seems that it's pretty easy from what I read here. Basically, what we have to do is to remove the key. Let's do it here so that you can see. We remove the key, then we take our cheek rest and slowly screw it in here. Do not break anything. After we make sure it's in the right place, we take back our key and very slowly put it back in place, and this is how it looks right now. I probably will have to remove this because it's making too much noise, but it depends if it's gonna be annoying or not. And let's see how it looks here with the rest. So basically this is the holder. When you are not using your Gunstock, you can just put it here, and I love that they included this in it. I'm pretty happy with this product. Now that we have assembled it, over here we have the handle, which is supposed to be the front of the gun. So this is supposed to work like this, and this other side is supposed to work like this. And as you can see, it's supposed to be looking like this. The reason that here it's empty and with a slide is because both sides are magnetic, and the magnetic is pretty strong, and it works like this. You just slide it up. Last part is the cheek rest. So last but not least is this cheek rest over here, which is pretty useful to extend the Gunstock size or to turn it into a cheek rest. You can pretty much do it like this. You click the button over here, the metallic button, and then you push it up with the other hand. This way you can have a longer cheek rest for you. And if you want, you can also completely remove it, as you can see, and not use it at all if you don't need it or if you don't want it. Or by doing exactly this, you click again, then push, and now your Gunstock is longer. And it will look the way that I will show you in a second. It's very good for when you want to loot in games, because you can disconnect this one, or when you want to simply reload. And now you have a full Gunstock for your VR sessions. So as I said before, this is the finished product, and this is also another reason I didn't get the green version, because when you are streaming or when you are doing YouTube videos and you have a green screen, this would be invisible.
you see count.